He comes up to me, he goes, Rob, how do you like your new Ford pickup truck? And I said, man, I love my Ford pickup truck. Why? He goes, well, I just got one too, and I don't know, I think I may get rid of it. I said, why do you want to get rid of your truck? I mean, these are, in my opinion, one of the best trucks out on the market right now. And he goes, well, every time, I just had it leveled, and I put bigger wheels and tires on it. Now it's throwing codes all day long. The anti-braking system is acting up, and my autonomous driving, self-driving thing is not reading the lanes correctly. It's just all over the place, and I think it's over technical. It's too smart for its own good. We've been preaching now for several years about this ADAS stuff, about calibration, especially after your vehicle's involved in an accident. But I want you guys to know, because I do a lot of networking in the off-road community, I do a lot of networking and customizing of vehicles and stuff of that nature as well. Just after leveling a truck or putting bigger wheels and tires on a vehicle alters the way that vehicle functions. It doesn't have to be in an accident. These things are real. When you're buying a vehicle these days, these are now computers. These are literally driving down the road in a computer that looks nice and comfy with all the features. He was literally getting ready to sell a $100,000 truck because he thought it was broken, when it's not. So imagine now how many collision centers are putting vehicles back on the road that were involved in a major accident, where a lot of these sensors and radars and all that stuff have to be replaced and or unplugged and removed for the repair process, and that aren't being recalibrated to where your vehicle, when you drive down the road, you know for a fact it's going to handle and function and be safe just like it was from the factory. Always understand technology and select the shop that knows about these technologies and does the right thing, because it's not only just when you're involved in an accident, but anytime you alter the height or anything else on a vehicle, you need to keep this stuff in mind. Just want to share that, guys.